Jay. I had that down, I tear it down. Look at my vacuum, man. Clean as a whistle, man. This is how you take care of your vacuum, man. This vacuum cleaner is over a year old, and look at it, man. It's over a year old, man. I take care of it, man. Look how clean it is, man. Just gotta stay on top of it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together. This thing is really nice. I mean, it's designed like I can't believe how well it's designed. This is a HEPA. Okay, goes right in there. Your HEPA cover just sits right there. That's it, man. And here's your regular filter. You just clean it on the soapy water, rinse it. Goes right in there. This thing is really nice, man. I mean, look at that. Well designed. And that closes. Okay. Go through the bottom. See those grooves right there? See those grooves right there on the top? See that? Sticks in there and locks. Okay. There you go. Locked in there. Okay. There you go. Okay. This here is the bottom. This is the canister. This is the bottom. And it actually is upright like this. And this is how you empty it. Lock it down. There you go. Tell me that ain't easy, man. And this goes inside. And you turn it. Sorry about that, but you turn it. Locks together. Here's your suction port, which sits right on this rubber seal here. You got the bed. Here's your other seal, which seals right here your vacuum. Just take this, set it right there, and nest right in there. And it should nest right in. Okay. Hang on, something ain't right here. Okay. Alright. Set her down. And lock her in. There you go. Nice. Okay. With that, I'm out of here.